those are visuals coming from Raj Bhavan, where Chief Minister of Jammu Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha, as well as Home Minister Amit Shah are present. Security experts, the government and from the government as well as from the forces present there for an update and to discuss the details of the security operations. Yawar, my colleague, also joins me from Raj Bhavan in Srinagar. Yawar, what is the update? Who all are attending the meeting at Raj Bhavan, and what are we hearing is on the agenda?
Well, exactly. Let's go step by step. Sources say that top officials from the paramilitary intelligence, army and the JNK police are attending this meet. This meet begins shortly after the Home Minister Amit Shah arrives in Srinagar. And right now, you can see that this is an en routing way for the Raj Bhavan, where this meeting is taking place. Heavy security contingents are here. Pertinent to mention here is that this is the second high-level security review meeting being held in the Srinagar over the past 3 weeks. This time, the situation is quite different. And remember that the Home Minister has vowed to take revenge. Over 26 casualties have been reported. You can see that the additional security deployment have been put in place. This is a very sensitive location because this lies too close to the Raj Bhavan. This is an en route to Raj Bhavan. Right now, as I'm speaking to you, the meeting is being taken place. What the sources in the government is telling us is that today the Home Minister is all scheduled to have a high-level security meeting at the Raj Bhavan Srinagar, which is ongoing. And tomorrow he is expected to reach to the Pahalgam, from where he will meet with the other people. In fact, the security officials are telling us to move from that location. As I told you, that this is a hyper-sensitive location. And tomorrow his all-set schedule is for the Pahalgam, where he will meet with the families of the victims and will also hold his first-hand account situation on the ground where this incident has unfolded. Because this has been the massive attack. Remember that the JNK haven't seen this sort of attack over the past 32 years, where the huge number of casualties, particularly to the non-locals, have been inflicted. Right now, a high-level security review meeting is underway in the Srinagar. Back to you.
Thank you, Yawar, for those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates.